And welcome to my channel. Today we've got this DCS 380 Dewalt Reciprocating Saw, and there's a problem. Something's jamming the mechanism. The motor's trying to go but cannot. Getting this apart ain't no kind of picnic. This button was jammed. I had to bit the living daylights out of it, bit it back and forward and WD-40 it. It's a release button for this. As you can see, that's all rust, but it's nice and free now. It's come out handy. And then once you do that, there's a couple of screws there. They're T20 Torx, and they should be easy enough extracted. Here. Lovely. Next thing is to remove this rubber johnny. That came out very easy. That was good. Yeah, that's excellent. I think I'll put a battery in her again to see if this rotates, to see if it's just this mechanism is jammed. Yeah. That's rotating freely, so this is our problem. Oh, in trouble now. I'll get this other one out now and see what happens. That's suboptimal there. Not moving. That's completely solid. That is not moving. Just going to take time for it to free up, I'd say. Gonna have to just soak it. Got that freed up now, so I can come out. So I'll give that a bit of a clean. See the rust in that? The WD-40's done a hell of a job there. It should be good enough to work. Small matter of the broken screw is a bit of an issue. We need to get that out. Went digging through my spares box and I found this. It's not just quite right, it's not countersunk, or it's not it's too long, but we could probably modify. It's not bad for size at the minute, the head might be a bit of a problem. The head needs to lie down real flat, and that's, you know, too pronounced. That's going to be a problem. Has to be well in there. I have to cut a notch in it as well. I have to cut a notch in it. Doesn't look the best, but it's in out of the way. It's definitely in out of the way, anyway. Let's see if we can make this work now. That's looking nice now. Now for that special moment, I put a 6 amp in her to give the old girl a bit of a chance, you know. Cool. I'm most definitely calling that fixed, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.